with you this heavy duty garden hose that I found on Amazon here. I love this because it's nice and lightweight here, so it's easy for me to carry around and everything. It's not super heavy or anything like that, because sometimes those big heavy ones are hard when I'm trying to water the garden. So I found this one as a great option here. Our other hose is a little bit too short to reach our garden here, so I got this one to add on to it, and it does have the really nice swivel end here, so that way it's not going to kink or anything like that. So you can just tighten it on nicely here, and then it stays nice. It is really flexible, and it is 10 feet by 5 8, so it holds a lot, so it has really good water pressure. And then, like I said, it is nice and flexible and heavy duty and everything, and it doesn't leak at the seal or anything like that. So then it comes out perfect, because I can just get my garden here, and you can put like a sprayer on the end too, or I love times just do this because I find it easier. So it has really nice water pressure and everything, even being added onto the end of another hose, and it's just nice and lightweight, so I can carry it around with me to get my whole garden here. So if you're looking for a really nice garden hose, lightweight, heavy duty, nice and functional, if you just need a little extra 10 feet to add onto yours, or if that's all you need, definitely check out this one here. And nice and bright colors, so you're not going to run over with the lawnmower.